Apparently, that's not me.
You think so? Who could forget that one? Hi, I'm the mayor of comedy, here to tell you about a new CD offer, sitcom punchlines of the 80s, including such gems as, I think it's time for Plan B, Smooth Move, X-Lax, and That Went Well. Also, Check Please, plus Open Mouth, Insert Foot, and Wait, if you're here, then that means, oh boy. Order now and receive Sounds of the 80s studio audience, which includes Trouble Brewing, as well as Sweet Moments, and of course, Ethnic Kiss. This is an offer you don't want to miss. But don't take my word for it. Hear what 80s mainstay Howard Hessman has to say about it.
I love it.
Would Howard Hessman lie for weed? We don't think so. Order now.